Hey, this is Matt from Section Star. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new floating video section from the app. Floating video is super useful because it allows you to float a video off to the left or right, click on it, and then shop products in that video. So let's get started. We're going to go into theme sections and search for float and hit preview. I'm going to go add to store and just make sure it goes to the right theme. Okay, we're now in the store, hit customize. And I'm going to go ahead and add it. So I'm going to go and add in the template. So I'm going to hit here and then go to search for float. We'll add it right here. Now all we have to do is select a video. So we're going to let's take this video here, and you can see it's already playing. Um, and then the next thing I want to do is go down here and select a product, and this is just the product that gets featured with it. So we're going to feature the sample product here, and the last thing I want to do is just kind of move it off to the left. And to do that, we're just going to go bottom left here. All right, so this is what it looks like. You click on it, you get a maximized version of it, and then you can shop the product there. So let's hit save, and we're just going to go and view this so you can see what it looks like live. Um, so on the live version, let's hide this real quick. Exit preview. So same thing, it's floating here. You can tap to expand. You can now shop the product. So you have a shoppable video. Hit quick view. That's going to take you into the product itself. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, okay, well, what if I don't want to use the same video on the same on every page? Super easy. What you do in that case is you go and you hit change, and instead of using a video, what you do is you connect that to a dynamic source. And so what you want to do is like in your metadata for each product, or you can basically create a image meta field and then attach those videos directly to that product. And then in that case, you would just select, for example, video one here, and that would pull from the meta field. So that's how you would, create a different floating video for each page. You can do the same thing with products too. Um, so that's just a quick introduction into how to use floating videos. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.